Hi, my name is Corey Fluxtra, and I would like to talk to you about a book I'm reading. No, this book is not boring, okay? Do not touch the mouse. Do not turn off this video. I'm about to tell you about a fun book I read that's not boring at all. It may be boring to you, but it's not boring to me. So sit there and listen. God dang it. Anyways, you all hate books. I hate books sometimes. It just doesn't it's just boring. Then I found this book. I'm a cat. And it's about the canon to what cats think. It's about everything cats think. How their behavior is. How they survive China. Because Chinese people, they eat cats. Okay? They're disgusting. Stop eating cats. They're not chickens, they're not cows, and they're not dinosaurs. Just shut your mouth, stupid. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to tell every single Chinese person that they're stupid. But come on. You're ruining America. You and your Winnie the Pooh dictator. Anyways, if you don't know what I mean by Winnie the Pooh dictator, um, Winnie the Pooh is the dictator of China. I think. I don't know what the fuck they think. It's kind of a meme, I think, but who knows if you'll find that meme anymore on the internet or not. I don't know. I don't really know right now. But we're going to be talking to you about I Am a Cat. The book, if cats if cats wrote the Bible, this is what it'll be like. It'll be like this book here if they wrote the Bible. And when is Bible 2 going to come out? The Bible episode 2. I wonder when that'll come out because there's already a Bible out there. So there has to be a Bible 2. I guarantee if Bible 2 comes out, oh boy, we're all going to be in line just to get it. And then it'll run out of stock. Everybody be at the library in like a large line, like they do it during. I don't think they have lines anymore during. They might. Well, it's crazy during Black Friday when you're trying to get that new Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. I don't know what the fuck goes on in there. I don't go to much Black Friday shopping, but I did get this computer right here I'm using right now to make my videos and stuff on my computer. This computer is awesome. It hears me. I can communicate well, and it's just awesome. Anyways, back to talking about the Book of the Cats. This cat book is, if you don't understand what the hell cats think, maybe you should get this book right here. I Am a Cat. Because it's a fun book. And you'll understand your cat and where she or she is going through life in a whole new, better perspective on cats. And it also explains why Chinese people should not eat cats. If I see you putting cat in my Chinese food ever, I'll beat the shit out of you because that's not right. You don't eat cat. You don't eat cats. And I'm not talking about eating pussy like during sex. Not that kind of pussy. Uh, some people call pussy cats pussy. Why the fuck you calling cats pussy? It has nothing to do with the pussy. The pussy. That's when you want the pussy. Yeah, I don't know why they call cats pussy. It's another word for vagina. Okay? Quit calling your cats pussy. What's up, pussycat? I'm not sure if that's What's Up, Pussycat. That song. Uh, they keep playing it a lot in G-rated movies to the point that you don't you don't simply say the word pussy. It's like you know how the N word is against black people. Well, you don't say the word pussy to around your cat because that would offend her or him. My cat's a she. My cat's a girl cat, a woman. No, I don't know. It's a female cat. Okay. So, anyways, um, yeah. So, I guarantee you'll love this book. And if you don't love this book, then fuck you.